Hi, I'm Barbie. Junk food looks so tasty. Pizza, burger, fries today. Eating with my friends. Eating junk food every day. Laughing while we play. Oh, tummy hurts so bad. Barbie feels not fine. Feeling weak and feeling sick. Barbie needs to rest. Health is very important, Barbie says to friends. Too much junk food made me sick, now I understand. Health is very important, Barbie says to friends. Eat fruits, veggies, drink your milk, strong and happy day. Barbie learned today, healthy food is best.